The Xiaomi Redmi K90 Ultra is here, and this phone is clearly built with one goal in mind: delivering flagship gaming performance without charging flagship money. At around €390, Xiaomi is packing in hardware that honestly looks almost too good for the price. We're talking about Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a massive 8,550 mAh battery, an insanely bright 165Hz AMOLED display, and yes, even a built-in cooling fan. That's something you normally only see on dedicated gaming phones. So the big question is simple. Is this the ultimate flagship killer of 2026? Or are there compromises hiding behind the impressive spec sheet? Stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this phone deserves your money. Before we jump in, if you enjoy honest smartphone reviews, gaming tests, and the latest tech updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really helps out and keeps you updated with every new launch. Starting with the design, Xiaomi has gone for a premium look while keeping gamers in mind. The Redmi K90 Ultra features a glass front paired with a sturdy aluminum frame, giving it a flagship feel the moment you pick it up. At 227 grams, it's definitely not the lightest phone around, but that's expected considering the massive battery and active cooling hardware inside. It's also IP68 and IP69 certified, meaning it's protected against dust, water immersion, and even high-pressure water jets. That's impressive durability for a gaming-focused device. The phone is available in black, blue, and silver, and overall it looks clean enough for everyday users while still hiding serious gaming hardware underneath. Now let's talk about one of the biggest highlights, the display. Xiaomi has equipped this phone with a huge 6.83-inch AMOLED panel featuring a super smooth 165Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling through social media, playing fast-paced games, or watching videos, everything feels incredibly fluid. The screen supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and HDR Vivid, producing vibrant colors and excellent contrast. Peak brightness reaches an eye-watering 9,500 nits in supported HDR scenarios, making outdoor visibility absolutely fantastic. Combined with the sharp 1280 by 2772 resolution, this display easily competes with phones costing much more. Performance is where the Redmi K90 Ultra really starts flexing. Powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset built on an efficient 3nm process, this phone is designed to handle absolutely everything, from heavy multitasking to demanding video editing and the latest AAA mobile games. It simply won't struggle. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and super-fast UFS 4.1 storage, app launches are nearly instant and multitasking feels effortless. But what really makes this phone stand out is the built-in active cooling fan. Instead of relying only on passive cooling like most smartphones, Xiaomi has included dedicated active cooling to keep temperatures lower during extended gaming sessions. That means more stable frame rates, less thermal throttling, and better overall performance when it matters most. If you're someone who plays games like Genshin Impact, PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, or future high-end Android titles, this cooling system could make a noticeable difference. Speaking of gaming, everything about this phone screams performance. The combination of the 165Hz display, Snapdragon 8 Elite, Adreno 830 GPU, stereo speakers tuned by Bose, Dolby Atmos support, and advanced cooling creates one of the strongest gaming packages we've seen this year. Whether you're playing competitive shooters or graphics-intensive RPGs, this phone is clearly designed to deliver smooth gameplay for hours without slowing down. And if you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, because we've got plenty more flagship reviews and gaming comparisons coming your way. Moving over to the cameras, Xiaomi keeps things relatively simple. The primary camera uses a 50-megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization, while the secondary camera is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. On paper, it isn't trying to compete with ultra-premium camera flagships loaded with multiple zoom sensors, but for most users, the main camera should deliver detailed photos with solid dynamic range and reliable stabilization. Video recording goes all the way up to 8K at 30 frames per second, while 4K recording supports up to 60 frames per second. Slow motion options are equally impressive, making this phone capable of capturing creative content without any issues. On the front, the 20-megapixel selfie camera records at up to 1080p 60 frames per second, which should be more than enough for video calls and social media creators. Battery life could easily become one of the Redmi K90 Ultra's biggest selling points. Xiaomi has packed in an enormous 8,550 mAh silicon carbon battery, which is significantly larger than what we normally see in flagship smartphones. For most users, this should comfortably last well beyond a full day, even with heavy gaming and media consumption. When you finally need to recharge, the 100W wired charging gets you back into action incredibly quickly. You also get 22.5W reverse wired charging, allowing the phone to charge other devices whenever needed. Overall, the Xiaomi Redmi K90 Ultra looks like one of the strongest value flagship smartphones of 2026. It combines top-tier performance, active cooling, a stunning 165Hz AMOLED display, excellent battery life, premium build quality, and flagship-level charging at a price that's surprisingly aggressive. Sure, the camera system isn't as versatile as some ultra-premium competitors, but this phone isn't trying to be a camera champion. It's built for users who want raw speed, smooth gaming, incredible endurance, and flagship performance without spending a fortune. If Xiaomi delivers on real-world optimization, the Redmi K90 Ultra could easily become one of the best gaming smartphones and one of the biggest flagship killers of the year. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose the Redmi K90 Ultra over other flagship phones in this price range? If you enjoyed this review, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next smartphone review. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.